Good morning, student. I am Vashankar Singh, math teacher in Modern English School, Bihar Sharif. Today I teach you exercise 2, polynomial, question number 5 and question number 6. In this question, that is, find out the zero of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the value and relationship between the zero and the coefficient. So find the zero and that is verify of this equation. So question number 5 is taken 5x square minus 4 minus 8x are given. So that is the taken p of x that is 5x square and minus 8x minus 4. So that is the first. I see the question that is not arranged in the order of degree of power. So that equation are not arranged of the in according to their degree, power 2 and power 1, and that is 0 power. So that is arranged in the power and degree, that is the x square, x to the power 1 and x to the power 0. So that is the formation of x to the power 1 and x to the power 0 means that is 5x square and 8x, that is 1 power is everyone and that is anything power is 0, that is 1. So that is formation of this term p of x is equal to this. So you know in factorization of that term, that is 5 and 4. So that is multiply of 5 and 4 equal to 20. So this term find out 20. So that is the multiplication of this. So that is 1 into 20 equal to 20 and check of that formation, that is 8 comes out if 1 plus 20, second 1 plus 20, either 20 minus 1, so that is not comes to 8. So that is not the factor of this term. So these types of check of this factorization 2 into 10, that is 4 into 5. So 2 into 10, that is 2 plus 10 is equal to 12 and 10 minus 2 is equal to 8. So that value is find out the 8. So taken of this factorization is 2 into 10. So this factor is taken of these places. So that is the factorization of this term of any equation. So that is the factor of 5x square minus 10x plus 2x minus 4. That is minus 10x plus 2x, that is minus 8x. That is taken two terms, then they taken common 5x, that is find in x minus 2 and taken 2x minus 2. 2 is common of these two terms. So that is these terms are common. So taken x minus 2 and taken 5x plus 2. So that is say to the 0. So that equation p of x is equal to 0, that is x minus 2 is equal to 0, then x is equal to 2 and another 5x plus 2 is equal to 0. So 5x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 2 by 5. So 2 0 are find out 2 and minus 2 by 5. Note down of this equation. And now taken proof of this term, that is the sum of 0 and product of 0. Find out the sum of 0, that is the coefficient of x and divided by coefficient of x square and product of 0, that is the coefficient of taken constant term and coefficient of x square, that is the minus value taken, because the general equation of these equation x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots equal to 0, that is roots places, that is 0, sum of 0 and product of 0 now taken. So that is sum of 0 taken alpha beta, and that is alpha into beta. So these types of, so that is coefficient of x square means coefficient of x square, that is the 5, coefficient of x square is 5. So coefficient of x, that is order change 5x square minus 8x minus 4, that is the coefficient of 8 taken minus value. So that is minus 8 and minus 8, that is, and coefficient of x square, that is 5, 8 by 5, and now taken constant term, that is the now taken constant term of this equation, coefficient constant term is minus 4 and coefficient of x square is 5. So that is minus 4 by 5 is taken. Now taken another question. I give you some hints and solve of these questions. Now taken question number 6, that is function of p of x, that is 2 root 3 x square minus 5x plus root 3, and directly taken, that is the, in first thing check the order is correct. So taken first term and last term multiply, 2 root 3 into root 3, that is 2 into 3, that is equal to 6, that is 6. So 1 into 6 equal to 6, that is 6 minus 1, that is 5. So that is the value of put of this equation in factorization, that is 2 root 3 x square minus 6x plus root 3, that is 2 term taken. So constant 2 root 3x, that is x minus 6 is now written in 2 into root 3 into root 3. So that is root 3. But this equation is not lies, so taken another formation, 2 into 3, that is 6. So that is lie between them. So 2 root 3 x square minus 3x minus 2x plus taken root 3. So check down, taken, that is root 3x and 2x minus root 3, and also taken minus 1, 2x minus root 3, that is the common, 2x minus root 3 and root 3x minus 1, that is taken p of x is equal to 0. So 2x minus root 3 equal to 0, x is equal to root 3 by 2, and another taken root 3x minus 1 equal to 0, root 3x is equal to 1, x is equal to 1 by root 3. So that is the find out the 0. And now check the that is the coefficient of x, sum of 0 by coefficient of x square and constant term and coefficient of x square, and solve of this question. Okay, thank you.